Web3.tv.
What's up, guys? Welcome to day 2 of the Bitcoin MENA Abu Dhabi 2025. I'm Adele, the host. Today we have Patrick Ngan with us from Zeta Network. Patrick, how are you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
Just bring it closer to your mic. So tell us a bit about yourself. Introduce yourself to the audience. They want to know more about you.
I am the Chief Investment Officer of Zeta Network, which is listed on NASDAQ. My background has been in banking. I also have a crypto payment company that got listed on the crypto exchanges. I also have a NASDAQ listed companies. So from my background is banking into corporate, into the startup, and now back to the corporate world again.
Great, amazing. Now you're with Zeta Network. Tell us a bit about what makes Zeta Network different from other companies.
The difference is that there's a lot of digital asset treasury companies out there. For us, we are also being classified as one. However, our core business is in the Bitcoin mining. So when we look at it, we have the upstream, right? The upstream of the ecosystem. And now we are venturing into the debt, whereby we just purchased $230 million worth of BTC about a month ago. And obviously, we want to complete this cycle, complete the ecosystem where we have upstream, the midstream. And then, never know, right? Going, in the future where we're going to downstream, where we can go into the staking, the liquidity staking, and all sort of, other products that we can get ourselves into.
I see. And how is it that you monetize at the moment? How do you actually make money? I know you're buying Bitcoin, you're mining, but are you selling any of these mines? Is there a B2B service you offer?
No, this is pretty much proprietary. Well, we like to keep all the money ourselves.
Is it? So you're just going to keep on buying more mines?
Correct. I mean, not only just, mining, there's a limit. However, looking into the treasury, this is where we want to go into as well. But however, we're not just going to look into just buying Bitcoin. This is only one asset. I mean, for us, we're looking to diversify, looking for yield-bearing tokens and assets that way we can, get our hands, into.
So at the moment, you're not providing any B2B service?
No, we're not.
Oh, that's the first time I'm interviewing a company like that. That's really interesting.
Yes.
So is the plan, I know you said mining has a limit. So when you hit this limit, what are you going to do?
Well, we want to diversify. Obviously, as we mentioned, we are going into the upstream, the midstream, and hopefully going into the downstream.
Okay.
As a listed company, I got to be careful what I'm going to say. However, when you look at where the trend is right now, a lot of people are talking about just being a digital asset treasury company.
Yeah.
However, I dare to differ. Is that we have to venture outside of just acquiring Bitcoin.
Okay.
We need to start.
Otherwise, MicroStrategy is doing the same.
Correct.
Right?
We need to. I mean, I'm a big fan of real world asset tokenization.
Yes.
And I think when that comes, when there are more diversity, there are more products that we can we can purchase and we can invest in. I think liquidity is the key. Yield bearing is also a drive for us to venture into this space. I mean, it's nothing new. It's just we need more products. We need more developer. We need more infrastructure builder to provide us with more digital assets.
Just before we wrap up, I think also for the audience watching, I want to talk a little bit about real estate because, you talk about real world asset. Real estate is one of the upcoming projects for real world asset. But comparing real world assets like real estate compared to Bitcoin mining, you could buy all the mines. But what about real estate? Are you also interested in diversifying into real estate as well, or no?
I think we need to be focused on what we are good at. Real estate, obviously, I can also buy REITs.
Yes,
if you look at it, right?
Exactly.
Liquidity is a key for us. Bitcoin mining has been something that we've been focusing on, we've been doing.
Okay.
So for us to stay focused is key as a listed company, rather than going into various other tokenization. However, we just stay on one.
If you're not diversified, Bitcoin is like a roller coaster. If it goes down, the whole thing will go down because you're only in Bitcoin at the moment, right? You're not diversified yet.
At this stage, yes. Like I mentioned, there needs to be more products out there.
Agreed.
And that's why we're a strong believer in real world asset tokenization. There are more products, more digital products, the more that we can diversify.
Then you accept the risk that if Bitcoin crashed tomorrow, then your company would crash tomorrow as well. Zeta would crash.
We have a fundamental business, obviously, right? I would not say it's crash.
Yeah.
Obviously, there's corrections. I would not use the word crash.
Yeah.
I mean, if you look at the market, traditional market and the crypto market.
Yeah, just bring it closer.
These are corrections.
Yeah.
And I think it's healthy to have corrections.
Yes.
You will have, blue chip companies share price also fall. Okay. Crypto is the same. Bitcoin is the same.
Yeah.
So it's healthy correction. It's good for the market overall.
Okay. All right. Well, thanks for that. Before we wrap up, for those watching, if they're interested to get in touch with you or Zeta, where can they find you both?
Just look me up on, where can I find it? On the website.
And what's the website?
The ZetaNetwork.com.
ZetaNetwork.com. All right, thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found this insightful. We'll leave all the links in the description so you can check out Patrick's profile. Thank you again. I'm Adele, the host, and I will see you next time. Cheers.
Thank you.